Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Boston cream poke cake. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you are going to need a box of yellow cake mix, and then everything that it calls for on the back of the box to make the cake. So mine's 1 cup of water, 3 eggs, and a half a cup of vegetable oil. Then you're going to need 2 boxes of the instant vanilla jello, or you can use the French vanilla if you want to. Plus you're also going to need the milk that it calls for on the back of those packages. And then you need a tub of chocolate frosting. So let's get started. I went ahead and preheated my oven to 350 like it says on the back of the box of cake. And then I'm going to spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray, and I'm going to make my cake mix according to the box. Alright, my cake mix is all ready to go into my pan. All I had to do was beat that with an electric mixer for 2 minutes, and then we are going to bake that at 350 for 34 to 38 minutes. Alright, that is ready to go into the oven. Like I said, 34 to 38 minutes. My cake is out of the oven and it is cooling. You want to let that cool for 15 minutes before we poke our holes all through it. Alright, I went ahead and poked all the holes in there. I just took a wooden spoon, the bottom of it, and you just poke a hole in, and I just went back and forth. You want to make sure these holes go all the way to the bottom of the cake, all the way to the glass, because you want all of that yummy pudding to get all up in there. So we're going to set this to the side and make our pudding. Okay, I emptied both of my pudding packages into this big bowl, and now I'm going to add 4 cups of cold milk, and then I'm going to whisk that until there are no lumps. Alright, that looks good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it evenly over all of my cake batter over here with the holes in it. Make sure it gets down in every hole. Alright, that looks nice and evenly spread. Now we are going to cover this and put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Alright, I just removed my cake from the refrigerator, and I have my tub of frosting. I'm going to remove the lid and take off the topper, and you just put that in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. Alright, now you just want to stir it and go ahead and try to pour it evenly over top of your pudding layer. Alright, now I am going to cover that back up and put it back in the refrigerator for 4 hours to overnight. Alright, this has been in the refrigerator all night, so let's cut into it and see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, that is all ready for Taste Tester. You can see the pudding. Oh my gosh, that just looks so good. Alright, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Yeah. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. I like it.
Bye.
Bye.